We've all been there. You're deep in a coding session, you want to put something on the TV in the background, and the physical remote is somewhere? Probably under the couch. But the real problem isn't just the hardware. The root cause is that most Roku interfaces are built for casual consumers, not power users. They rely on bloated mobile apps or slow on-screen keyboards that abstract away the speed of the protocol. If you're a developer, you don't want a GUI, you want an endpoint. Enter roku-tui. This is a high-performance terminal interface built with Python and Textual. It treats your Roku not just as a media device, but as a scriptable server. Instead of clicking a D-pad 20 times, we use the Roku External Control Protocol, or ECP, over HTTP. By bringing this into the terminal, we get features that a physical remote can't touch: fuzzy search, command chaining, and real-time network inspection. Notice the console at the bottom. I can chain commands with semicolons. 1 line, 2 actions, no lag. On the right is our network panel. For the first time, you can see the guts of the remote. Every key press is an async post request. If you're debugging a Roku app or an automation script, this data is gold. We've integrated YouTube directly. I can search, get a results table, and launch a video without ever leaving the keyboard. And of course, we have Ratsmith, our mascot, who can handle our headless automation or just give us some feedback during the demo. Roku-tui turns a clumsy consumer experience into a streamlined developer workflow. It's open source, it's built for the terminal, and it's available now. I'm Carl Johnson. Thanks for watching. Ratsmith, take us home.